In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Update error code 0x800f0900 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So click on the Start button and then you have to go to Settings. Then you have to click on System on the left pane. You scroll down and you have to look for Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here you can find Windows Update with a Run button corresponding to it to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and simply follow the on-screen instructions. What that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing. Aside from that, it will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow its suggestions and recommendations. After doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then just update your Windows again. Next method is we need to check some services. So go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on Services under the Best Match. Then you have to look for the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click and then select Properties. Startup type, that should be automatic, and the service status, that should be running. So you have to click on Start, Apply, and then OK. Then click the Restart button on the left pane. Then scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update service. Here it is. Right-click, select Properties. Startup type, that should be automatic. Service status, that should be running. So click on Start, Apply, and then OK. And click on the Restart button on the left pane. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, we are going to run these commands. This will be posted in the description section of this video. So you just have to wait for the first command to be completed. And once this is 100% completed, then you need to copy the second command, which is the DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth, and then run it here on the command prompt. And after doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. If all else fails, you can consider a system restore. So go to the Windows search bar and type RestoreHealth. Okay, RestoreHealth, click on that, and this will open the system restore window. Click on choose a different restore point and click on next. And here you can go back to the date. You can find here the date and time as to where you are not experiencing the error. And then you just have to click on next and follow the next instructions, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.